Thank you, sir, for your insightful report highlighting our school's achievements and progress.
Today, as we gather to celebrate the spirit of our nation, it's time to feel the rhythm of patriotism flow through our veins.
Throughout history, a country has stood tall on pillars of bravery, sacrifice, and unity.
Our next performance is a tribute to that very spirit, a patriotic dance that reflects the pride, the struggle, and the glory of our motherland.
This dance is more than just a movement, it's an emotion, a story, and a salute to every hero who made our freedom possible.
So get ready to witness a powerful blend of music, movement, and patriotism.
Let's welcome the performers of Class 30 on stage with a huge round of applause.
The in charge of this vibrant program is Mrs. Ashwini.
One, two, three, one, two, three, Namma Bavutada Bannatri. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, Namma Bharatada Dharma free. We are the children, we are the nation, we are the children, we are the nation. Jati Nuru Niti Vande Ishaleli. 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6, ನಮ್ಮ ಭೂಮಿಗೆ ಋತುಗಳು 6. 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6, ಎಲ್ಲ ಭಾಷೆಗಳು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್. We are the language, we are the courage, we are the language, we are the courage. ಭಾಷೆ ನೂರು ಭಾವ ಒಂದೇ ಈ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ. ನಮ್ಮ ಲೋಕದ ಗ್ರಹಗಳು 789 ಅವರು ನಕ್ಕರೆ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ಫೈನ್. We are the nature, we are the future, we are the nature, we are the future. ದೃಷ್ಟಿ ನೂರು ಸೃಷ್ಟಿ ಒಂದೇ ಈ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ.
ಸ್ವತಂತ್ರ ಬಾನಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾರಾಡೋ ರಂಗಿನ ಬಾವುಟವೇ. ಓ ಲಾ 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 ಲಾ. ಅಶೋಕ ಭೂಮಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾರಾಡಿ ಶಾಂತಿಯ ಸೂಚಿಸುವೆ. ಓ ಲಾ 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 ಲಾ.